Hey everybody, this is Cool Marshmallow Gaming here, and we're doing a reaction video about bird cussing compilation. Oh my god, I swear this is gonna be funny. And I'm gonna turn this into not try to laugh challenge. I'll turn it into that. So let's get straight into this. But bad memes. Oh, that means. Oh god. I only got like I got 10 lives. I have 10 lives now. I'm trying not to laugh so hard. This is so funny.
Watch your profanity.
I just had 11 lives and now I have 10 lives. Try not to laugh. Like right at the start, I started laughing.
What did you say? What do you call me? Come here. You're a goodbye. Son of a bitch.
8 lives. 8 lives.
Son of a bitch. Goddamn fucking son of a bitch. Meet Santos. What? Profanity. Hey, that's not nice, is it? You're a twat. Bollocks.
Oh my god. I am trying not to laugh so hard. It's almost over. Oh my god, I got 7 lives. 6 lives.
I don't know.
5 lives.
You're being naughty. You're being naughty. You're being naughty.
But I'm already down to 5 lives. 4 lives. I'm so close. Warning 1, 3. Almost over. He's singing that song. He's singing that song. Warning 2. 2 lives. I hope I can make this. Oh my god, I'm trying not to laugh.
You are a filthy mouth bird.
I literally had 1 life. Wait, hold on, not 1 life. I literally had like, yeah, I think I had 1 life. I'll probably check back. But I also think that I also think that I have 2 lives. Or 1 life. Anyways, guys, that's it for today. Bye. Oh, and I'll do an SML reaction video.